Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your debit card in 2025. Whether you're a PayPal pro or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will have you moving funds quickly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account on the app or website. If you haven't already, download the latest PayPal app for 2025. It's got some slick new updates for faster transactions. Once you're in, head over to your PayPal balance page. You'll see your available funds right there. Now, look for the Transfer or Withdraw option. In 2025, PayPal has made this even simpler with a new one-tap feature, so it should be straightforward. Next, select your debit card from the list of linked accounts. If your card isn't linked yet, don't worry, there's a quick option to add it. Just enter your card details, and PayPal's enhanced security will verify it in seconds. Enter the amount you want to transfer, double-check it to avoid any mistakes, and hit Confirm. Remember, in 2025, transfers to debit cards are often instant or take just a few minutes, thanks to improved banking integrations. Before you proceed, keep in mind a couple of tips. Always check for any transfer fees, as they can vary based on your bank and PayPal's policies. Also, ensure your debit card is from a supported bank to avoid delays. If you're new to this, PayPal's help section has great resources. And just like that, you're done. Your money should now be on its way to your debit card. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart with your finances.